Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Sprinkle the flour over drippings. Cook and stir over medium heat until brown. Gradually stir in milk, whisking with a fork to scrape up all of the meaty bits from the pan, then gradually whisk in the water. Increase the heat to medium-high, and cook, stirring constantly, until the gravy thickens, about 10 minutes.
Take our lead.
Directions. Melt butter in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Whisk in flour until fragrant, 10 to 12 minutes. Advertisement. Gradually whisk in cold stock. Reduce heat to low. Bring gravy to a simmer, and cook and stir until thick enough to coat the back of a spoon, 10 to 15 minutes.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
You can thicken any gravy with a flour and butter roux, or a slurry made from cornstarch mixed with water, but the liquids you use distinguish a white gravy from a brown gravy. You can make a gravy using water, but it won't be white and it will lack the thickness, flavor and body of gravy made with milk.
Take our lead.
In a medium skillet over medium heat, cook sausage until no pink remains, 8 to 10 minutes. Sprinkle with flour and cook 1 minute. Add milk and bring mixture to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer until thick, about 5 minutes. Season with salt, pepper, and cayenne. Remove from heat and serve with biscuits.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.